How to use one iCloud on two iPhones. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your Apple account at the very top of the screen. Scroll down to view the list of devices signed in with your Apple ID. Now, go back to your home screen and open the Safari application. Go to the website iCloud.com and then tap on the Sign In button. After that, you will now be logged into the iCloud web dashboard. Here, you can access your photos, drive, notes, and other data. Once you sign in with another iPhone, go back and open up your settings, then scroll down to the Devices section, and here you'll see both devices. Following these steps, you can easily use one iCloud on two iPhones. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.